So Jay, at the beginning of the shift we should read the logbook. It is a very important step to start the day.
We spoke about it in the previous video. If you have not seen it, do see it. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification about the channel.
In this video, we will learn about what all reports we need to check before beginning the shift. At the front office, the most important report is the arrival report.
What all information will the arrival report tell us?
The arrival report will tell us the name of the guest, the expected time of arrival and the mode of payment. It will also tell us if there are any groups coming into the hotel. Most property management systems allow you to change the details in the report depending on what you want. If you read these reports, you will understand if there are any clarification you need, either from the sales team or from reservation.
In the arrival report, we check to make sure all details are present. We must have their arrival and departure date and time, company details and mode of payment.
Another important report is the departure report for the day. That helps us to see if there are any billing issues we need to sort out.
I learned that reports help us to plan the day. Arrival and departure reports will tell us about how many arrival and departure we will have today. That will help me to plan my work.
Absolutely. And what about you? I hope you have subscribed to the channel to keep learning about hotels with Jay.
Go ahead, in case you have not done it yet, hit the subscribe button. Also do share the video with your friend. The share button is just below this video.
See you tomorrow.